Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Vivo V29 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and Voice Match and click here to enable Hey Google. Now click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again and click Next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on Next, and then you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.